Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to transfer money from Woodforest to another bank. Firstly, log in to your Wood Bank account. If you need to add a new bank account, click on Bank Account at the top, then Add Bank Account. Choose the country where the beneficiary bank is located, then click Next. Choose the currency that you want the money to be received in. Just an important note, if you are sending USD to a foreign bank, then you are likely be charged additional fees from the beneficiary or intermediary bank between $30 to $50 per transfer. Confirm the country and currency, then enter the beneficiary and bank details. You will need to get all of this information from the beneficiary bank. Once the bank account is entered, choose the amount you want to send, approve it with the rate, and send the process to get the money to your bank account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.